we like it or not, there are just some expressions that you would never get till you see it in a written form. Take me for instance, up until last year, wait, we're in 2026. So up to 2 years ago, I didn't know the right way to write the right way to write. I didn't know the right way to write the expression my heart skipped a beat. I used to think it was BIT till I was reading this book. Cheesy story, cheesy lines, you know how it goes. And then the girl had said my heart skipped a beat with BEAT. And then suddenly it makes sense. I couldn't believe it. I had read for close to 2 decades at the time, and I've been using it wrongly. There are some things that would only make sense when you read it. Tell me, when did you learn how to use the expression "my heart skipped a beat"?